Okay, we'll take one numerical on influence coefficient. The problem statement is determine influence coefficient for the spring mass system shown in figure, and we are going to determine the influence coefficients for this system. See, when the influence coefficient is asked to determine, then we have two different influence coefficients, Aij and Kij. Aij कुठला आहे? फ्लेक्झिबिलिटी इन्फ्लुएन्स कोएफिशियंट, स्टिफनेस इन्फ्लुएन्स कोएफिशियंट. कोणताही डिटरमाइन केला तरी चालतो, बट मोस्ट प्रेफरेबली यू हॅव टू डिटरमाइन Aij. ओके, सो फ्लेक्झिबिलिटी इन्फ्लुएन्स कोएफिशियंट वी आर गोइंग टू डिटरमाइन, कारण की कुठला मेन्शन केलेला नाही आहे. द प्रोसिजर टू डिटरमाइन बोथ इज सेम, फक्त डिफरन्स काय ते तुम्हाला मी ह्याच न्यूमेरिकलमध्ये सांगतो. सो to determine this, first I am going to show the force, because Aij or A12 याचा अर्थ काय, A1 is displacement at 1 due to unit load at 2, means we will have to consider displacement and load. So we'll consider the first case where we'll consider unit load at 1. So consider F1 is equal to, F1 is equal to 1. So when you are going to consider unit load at 1, then 2 and 3 will be 0. So this is our first condition. So we have taken unit load at 1 and the remaining loads are 0. So I'll show here, for mass 1, F1 is equal to 1. For mass 2, F2 is equal to 0. And for mass 3, F3 is equal to 0. So we have applied unit load on the mass 1. Mass 2 and mass 3 are 0. Now, as we have applied unit load at 1, so ultimately Aij याचा अर्थ काय, A11 याचा अर्थ काय, displacement at 1 due to unit load at 1. So we have taken unit load at 1, so the x1 will be equal to A11 displacement at 1 due to unit load at 1. So ultimately x2 will be equal to displacement at 2, but unit load is at 1, so it will be A21, and x3 will be equal to A3. Why A3? Displacement at 3 because of unit load at 1. So when we consider this first case, this x1 will become A11, x2 will become A21, and x3 will become A31. हे समजलं? Now we'll have to draw the FBD. याची FBD ड्रॉ करायची आहे. So I'll draw the FBD for mass 1. For mass 1 काय येणार सांगा, FBD this spring is going to elongate, so the spring force will be upward, and what will be the spring force? K into X. K is 3K and X is X1. We'll write X1, but after that we'll put A11. Now for mass 2, mass 2 is 2m. For this mass, consider x2 greater than x1. Consider x2 greater than x1. So ultimately this spring will elongate. So when it will elongate, then this portion will move up, the bottom portion will move down. So as the displacement are away, so the forces will be inward. हे समजलं सगळ्यांना? इलॉंगेशन वर झालं तर हा फोर्स कुठे येणार, खाली. हे इलॉंगेशन कुठे झाले, खाली. फोर्स कुठे येणार, वरती. सो दीज आर द फोर्सेस, अँड व्हॉट विल बी द स्प्रिंग फोर्स? K into X, but K is 2K and X is x2 minus x1, difference between the two, because both the ends are having displacements, and as we have considered x2 is greater than x1, so I'll write here x2 greater than x1. Now for the third mass, 3m. Similarly, x3 greater than x2. So we'll use same inward forces because of the elongation, and the spring force will be k into x. K is k and x is x3 minus x2. This is the FBD. Okay. Now after drawing FBD, आता इथनं पुढे सगळं सोपं आहे. After drawing FBD, now we'll have to consider the forces. Now we'll have to consider forces. See, this direction is upward, this direction is downward, this direction is downward. So downward we will consider negative, upward we will consider positive. So from the mass 1, first equation will be 3kx1 minus f1 minus 2k x2 minus x1 will be equal to 0. कारण की आता तुम्ही इथं फोर्स लावलाय ना मास 1ला, आणि तो काय युनिट फोर्स. सो दीज आर द टू स्प्रिंग फोर्सेस अँड दिस इज द एक्सटर्नली अप्लाइड फोर्स. ओके, सो फर्स्ट फोर्स minus second minus third is equal to 0. Now we'll write 3k. What is x1? x1 is a11 minus f1 1 minus 2k x2 a21 minus x1 is a11 equal to 0. So we'll rearrange. So to rearrange, three k a11 minus 1 minus 2k a21 minus minus will become plus 2k a11 equal to 0. 3k plus 2k, 3k a11, 2k a11, 5k a11 minus 2k a21 equal to, I'll transfer this one on that side. So this is your equation. अजून सिम्प्लिफाय होईल. टेक k कॉमन, पण काय उपयोग होईल ते k कॉमन घेऊन? काय होणार नाही. सो आय राईट दिस ॲज इक्वेशन 1. सो फ्रॉम मास 1, दिस इज द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन फॉर द फर्स्ट कंडिशन. नाउ विल राईट फॉर मास 2 the second equation. So by considering the equilibrium condition, 2k x2 minus x1 minus f2 minus k x3 minus x2 equal to 0. Upward plus downward minus. Okay. Now 2k x2 a21 minus x1 a11 minus f2 0 minus k x3 a31 minus a21 equal to 0. We will rearrange the terms. 2k a21 minus 2k a11 minus k a31 minus minus plus k a21 equal to 0. कॉमन टर्म काय आहेत बघा, a21 a21. द फर्स्ट वन विल बी minus 2k a11. नाउ 2k a21 and k a21, 3k a21, 2k plus 1 minus k a31 equal to 0. Equation number 2. Now we'll write the third equation, and the third equation will be काय येणार बघा, k x3 minus x2 minus f3 is equal to 0. These two forces for mass 3. K, what is x3? a31 minus x2 a21 minus 0 is equal to So this term is 0. Transfer k here, 0. So A31 is equal to A21. Mention this as 3. Now put this value A31 in equation 2. Put this value in equation 2. Put in 2. So equation 2 will become minus 2k A11 plus 3k A21 minus k A31. Now I am going to put the value of A31. A31 is equal to A21. So minus k A21 is equal to 0. फक्त 31 ची व्हॅल्यू टाकली. Now simplify this one. So minus 2k A11 3k minus 1 means plus 2k A21 is equal to 0. So transfer this on that side. किंवा ही पाठवा मायनस इज टर्म. सो 2k A21 is equal to 2k A11. 2k will get cancelled. So A21 is equal to A11. Equation number 4. Now put this value of 4 in equation 1. Put in 1. So 5k A11 minus 2k A21 is A11 is equal to 0. So if I take 5k थांबा चुकलं माझ्याकडनं. इज इक्वल टू किती आहे 1. इज इक्वल टू 1. So 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2, 3k A11 is equal to 1. So A11 is equal to from 4. Therefore A21 is equal to A11 is equal to A21. Now from 3 A21 is equal to A31. So A31 is also. So by using first case F1 is equal to 1, we have the values of A11, A21, A31. आता नेक्स्ट केसमध्ये काय करणार, हे असंच ठेवायचं FBD. विल जस्ट चेंज द व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ फोर्सेस and just x1, x2, x3 will change, and again we will write the equation to get A21, A22, A23. ओके, एवढं लिहून घ्या, मग पुढे जाऊया. Okay, so see. Here you can directly use the Maxwell's reciprocal theorem. You will get the answers. Or we'll take case 2. Second case. For second case, we'll consider unit force is applied at mass 2. Instead of mass 1, we'll take for mass 2. The FBD will remain same. Only we'll have to change the value of force. So F1 will be 0, F2 will be 1, F3 will be 0, and because of change of force at unit force at 2, this x1 will become displacement at 1 due to unit force at 2. So this will become A12. So instead of A11, it will become A12. So this x2 will become displacement at 2 due to unit force at 2, and this x3 will become displacement at 3 due to unit force at 2. 2 ला दिला की F2 is equal to 1 लिहिलं आहे, बाकी सगळे शून्य आहेत. समजलं, फक्त एवढंच चेंज आहे. एफ बी डी विल रिमेन सेम. इवन द इक्वेशन, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन विल रिमेन सेम. सी फ्रॉम द एफ बी डी 3kx1 minus f1 minus 2kx2 minus x1 is equal to 0. But now we'll put the new values as per the case number 2. So I'll put the x1 value as per case 2. x1 is 3k(a)(1)2 minus f1 is 0 minus 2k(x2)(a)(2)2 minus x1(a)(1)2 equal to 0. So we'll simplify 3k(a)(1)2 minus 2k(a)(2)2 minus plus 2k(a)(1)2 is equal to 0. I'll transfer this minus term on that side. So 2k(a)(2)2 3k(a)(1)2 plus 2k(a)(1)2 3 plus 2 it is 5k(a)(1)2. बरोबर आहे का? नाव आता पुढे काय करता येईल बघा मला. 5k(a)(1)2 is equal to 2k(a)(2)2. Equation number 5 will keep as it is. k cancel करता आला असता मला. Okay, but we'll see later. Okay, this is equation number 5. Now we'll write the second equation. Second equation from this one. 2kx2 minus x1 minus f2 minus kx3 minus x2 is equal to 0. We'll put the values. 2kx2(a)(2)2 minus x1(a)(1)2 minus f2 is 1 minus kx3 is (a)(3)2 minus x2 is (a)(2)2 is equal to 0. We'll multiply inside. So 2k(a)(2)2 minus 2k(a)(1)2 minus 1 will transfer on right side minus k(a)(3)2 minus plus k(a)(2)2 equal to 1. We have transferred minus 1 on this side. Now we'll simplify this one. (a)(2)2 (a)(2)2 this is (a)(1)2. So minus 2k(a)(1)2 3k(a)(2)2 minus k(a)(3)2 is equal to 1, and we'll mark this as equation 6. Now the seventh one, from the third mass, kx3 minus x2 minus f3, kx3 minus x2 minus f3 is equal to 0. Now we'll put the new values. x3 it is (a)(3)2 minus x2 it is (a)(2)2 f3 is 0. So this is 0. Transfer this k on that side. 0 by k is 0. So (a)(3)2 is equal to (a)(2). Equation number 7. Now put the value of 7 in 6. Put in 6. So minus 2k(a)(1)2 plus 3k(a)(2)2 minus k(a)(3)2 is 2,2. So (a)(2)2 is equal to 0. So minus 2k(a)(1)2 plus 2k(a)(2)2 is equal to 0. So (a)(1)2 is equal to (a)(2)2. Equation number 8. Sorry, it is 1. So minus 2k A12 plus 2k A22 is equal to 1. Equation number 8. Now in this equation from 5 we can put A12. So from 5 and 8 minus 2k, I am going to put the value of A12. So A12 will be equal to 2k A22 divided by 5k plus 2k A22 is equal to 1. 1k will get cancelled. So this will become minus 4 by 5 k A22 plus 2k A22 is equal to 1. Now add these two. So if I make this denominator 5, हा 5 केला तर इथे किती होणार बघा? 10. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4. 6 by 5 k A22 is equal to 1. So A22 will be equal to 5 by 6k. This is your A22. A22 is equal to A32. So A32 is equal to 5 by 6k. Now the remaining term is A12. So if I want A12, then A12 will be equal to 2k by 5k means 2 by 5 into A22. So 2 by 5 into A22. So this will become 10 by 5. Sorry, 5 will get cancelled. It is 1 by 3k. 1 by 3k. Now if you check A21 from case 1, that answer was 1 by 3k. म्हणजे तुम्ही डायरेक्ट हे मॅक्सवेल्स रेसिप्रोकलने पण तुम्ही लिहू शकला असता. इफ यू यूज मॅक्सवेल्स रेसिप्रोकल देन दिस इक्वेशन विल बिकम इझी टू सॉल्व. हे तुम्ही डायरेक्ट पुट करू शकताय A12 A22 बाय युझिंग द मॅक्सवेल्स रेसिप्रोकल. मी हे कसं सॉल्व करले विदाउट मॅक्सवेल्स रेसिप्रोकल, बट फ्रॉम दिस वन यू कॅन सी A12 इज इक्वल टू A21, दॅट इज 1 by 3k. सगळ्यांचे हेच आन्सर आले का बघा. ओके, so this is the case 2. Now similarly you can solve for case 3. Similarly you can solve for case 3, but before going to case 3, let's say before going to case 3 I am going to write whatever the values that we have found. A11 is equal to 1 by 3k, then A21 is equal to 1 by 3k, then A31 is equal to 1 by 3k. आता ह्या व्हॅल्यू मिळाल्यात तरी पण मी मॅक्सवेल्स रेसिप्रोकल थेरम लिहितो. बाय मॅक्सवेल्स रेसिप्रोकल थेरम A31 A21 A31 sorry A12. Here you can see A12 is same. So total we are having 1 2 3 4 5 and the sixth one is A22, and A22 is 5 by 6k, and A32 is the same. A32 it is 5 by 6k. So from this A32 you can directly write. Now check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. म्हणजे राहिला आहे फक्त कोण आता A33. only remained one is A33. So to get A33, we'll have to consider case 3. So I'll consider here case 3. For case 3, instead of taking F2, I'll take F3 is equal to 1. When I'm going to take F3 is equal to 1, here F1 is 0, F2 is 0, and F3 will become 1. So change in X, displacement at 1 due to unit load at 3, displacement at 2 due to unit load at 3, displacement at 3 due to unit load at 3. Okay? Now तुम्ही आहे याच्यामध्ये चेंज करू शकताय, बट ॲज विल रिक्वायर ओनली A33, सो आय एम गोइंग टू राईट ओनली लास्ट इक्वेशन. मी फक्त लास्ट इक्वेशन लिहितो. ओके, सो आय राईट द लास्ट इक्वेशन. व्हॉट विल बी द लास्ट इक्वेशन? थर्ड, के x3 मायनस x2 मायनस F3 विल बी इक्वल टू 0. त्या दोघांचे ॲडिशन किती यायला पाहिजे? 0. नाव के, what is x3? A33 minus A23 minus 1 is equal to 0. F3 is 1. So we'll transfer 1 on that side. So K A33 minus, we have the value of A23. A23 is 5/6K. बरोबर आहे ना? नाव ट्रान्सफर दिस के ऑन दिस साइड. सो A33 minus 5/6K is equal to 1/K. Now transfer this minus side, minus term on that side. So A33 will be 1/K minus 5/6K. So this will become 6/6K. काय आलं बा? काय प्लस झालं? ओ सॉरी, मायनस आहे. इट विल बिकम प्लस, सॉरी. सो 6/6K प्लस 5/6K. सो 11/6K. दिस विल बी युअर A3. 6/6K plus 5/6K. Denominator will become 6 and 6 plus 5 will be 11. हे झाले ना सगळ्यांचं आन्सर? एकदा चेक करा. सो दिस विल बी युअर आन्सर. बोल बा.